Oh my goodness. Look at what round one is. Can't wait to dig in.
Hey, welcome up. How are you?
Good, how are you? Hey guys.
Hi. How are you?
Hello guys, big chocolate sheet cake right there for you. Some bacon burn-in, some brisket chili. Y'all enjoy.
What do you got for me here?
We got some Texas chocolate sheet cake. We got some bacon burn-in, some brisket chili.
How you doing, man? Good to see you.
What do you got for me here, guys?
Today I have a Korean-style St. Louis cut pork rib, gochujang barbecue sauce, pickled Fresnos, and fresh green onion. Oh, and toasted sesame seeds.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? What do you got for us here?
So we got a jalapeno cheese polenta cake, topped with smoked beef cheek, a cherry chipotle glaze, and balsamic pearls.
Ooh-wee. What do you got for us here?
Little brisket boudin
Brisket boudin.
on a jalapeno cracker with some spicy Shinerbach mustard sauce.
We got brisket boudin over here.
What do we got?
Brisket boudin.
Free to take some. We're just putting them on here so they're fresh and hot.
Sausage, brisket, bacon. Then some pork shoulder, and then you got the salsa verde on top.
All right.
It's a good little bite.
Yeah, we smoked everything. The salsa, the
Yeah.
pork chop, enjoy it. I could have bring the whole trace here.
There we go. Okay, what we have is tin roof barbecue. I was a policeman for 31 years. And when I retired, I told my wife we were done. I was burnt out. And so what I did is I had a friend that gave me 3 pieces of pipe. 1, 2, 3, 3 pieces of pipe. And I didn't have any money, but I knew a guy that was into making art, metal art stuff. So I took him these 3 pieces of pipe and he welded together a pistol. And what I did, I used to have minivan axles underneath here, and I just upgraded here. But what we did, because it's just an old school pipe, let me show you. It's old school. Here's my, and it's just basically a straight flow pipe. And I've had this pit because we made this in 2000. So this pit is, what, 27 years old, and it's still cooking. So it's a fun pit. It's not fancy, but it's got a lot of sentimental value.